My name is Jacqueline Barragan Ramirez. I am 36 years old. I am nurse. I work in the community clinic of Bucaramanga. I am married. I live with my husband, my daughter, and my mother. I study psychology in the 4th semester. My goal is to finish my career, graduate, exercise my profession to improve my quality of life. Tutor Don Amar Fernando. I want to tell you that on June 16 of the year, I go on vacation for France with my family. I know that you like this place, since it is a place of long line and fashion, ideal destination for rariums, flash and orange in Genoa. 3 days recent I read line to Renville. It come within choose this place to enjoy the beauty of the Eiffel Tower. And Candice is reflected in urban environment, fail and book, enjoy as gastronomy. Fish found renowned for its variety and refinement, and the most important cuisine in Norway is architecture. It is the model to follow in its dines of bleeding one dry. It beaches and mountains. It will be very nice to have your presence if you not have tomorrow, because all your expenses are present there. Is no risk to say no. Thank you.